Hello and welcome. We are proud to present to you a company called Adabilities that is helping small and mid-sized businesses throughout the United States grow and prosper through a marketing strategy called 360-degree marketing. Adabilities is coming to the Holiday Inn Long Island Islip Airport on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, June 11th, 12th, and 14th. The Spanish presentations will be given Wednesday, June 13th at Hotel Indigo in Riverhead. Over the next few weeks, your sales representative from JVC Broadcasting will be calling you or stopping by to invite you to attend a free 30-minute marketing seminar from us here at Adabilities. Each day, we will be hosting presentations at 8:45 a.m., 10 a.m., 1 p.m., 3 p.m., and 5 p.m.
Now, spaces are limited, so please reserve your space today by contacting your station account representative.
This free seminar will focus on unlocking new media marketing tools for local and small businesses in the Louisville metro area. The Adabilities 360-degree local marketing seminar will teach your business new techniques to grow market share, retain customers, and grow new customers through 360-degree programs.
Adabilities is the creative broadcast sales and training company that helps stations and their advertisers develop local marketing plans that deliver new media and traditional media together to form a complete local marketing plan that actually delivers results for small and mid-sized local businesses around the United States.
We have worked with hundreds of advertisers around the U.S. in markets like Cookeville, Tennessee and Lawrence, Kansas, to markets like Austin, Texas and Louisville, Kentucky. No matter what the market, the concerns of small and mid-sized businesses are always the same. How can I make my advertising and marketing work better and make my business more money?
Now, let us tell you how it works. Adabilities has created a local marketing turnkey program that's incredibly affordable and shows small business how to tap into all of the exciting new developments in digital and social media. All of this while utilizing the huge audiences of traditional media.
Our unique and new approach to local marketing and advertising develops a 360-degree advertising campaign that reaches your market's consumers from all directions and across long periods of time.
The Adabilities 360-degree local marketing seminar will show you how your business can take traditional broadcast media like radio and TV and combine that audience with new media like digital, web, social media, event and email marketing to create marketing campaigns that reach your local market from all different types of media and reaches that local consumer over a long period of time.
Most importantly, we'll show you how you can advertise on radio, TV, web, social media, events, and email marketing to reach hundreds of thousands of local consumers with your business message for as little as $30 a day. Adabilities will teach you how you can tap into all the fantastic marketing opportunities that today's technology can provide small business.
How do we do it? Adabilities works directly with our local broadcast partner stations to create high-frequency, affordable annual marketing campaigns that utilize radio, TV, local high-traffic websites, social media sponsorships, local event sponsorships, local email marketing campaigns, customized commercial production, and social media training for small business.
Don't delay. This is a free seminar, and if Long Island is anything like other markets around the United States, it will fill up quickly. And for each attendee, JVC Broadcasting will give a $10 in-kind donation to the Feel Good Foundation. So look for your station rep to be calling you or stopping by your business to confirm your attendance and to answer any questions you may have about this exciting week. We hope to see you soon.